You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Alright folks, on this quick DIYNate video, I'm going to show you how to set your clock on a Volvo XC90. Probably applies to several Volvo products here, so all I'm going to do is reach in here, grab this pin, and you'll see me be able to turn the clock backwards here with turning this knob. And so we'll put it back to give or take the right time. And that is all you got to do. And then let's say you want to go the other direction. You can actually go this way and bump it. We're going to say it's 8:48 a.m. and we're done. That's it. That's all you got to do. In case you were confused or had to look up the instructions, pretty easy. Just turning that knob will get you there.